This story was written by Miss Williams's class, and it's called The Dog Needs to Get to the Tea Shop. Once upon a time, there was a tea dog. Woof. Tea Dog desired so badly to go see the tea factory. At the tea factory, they create, produce, soak, and serve tea. Tea Dog's grandma lives at the tea factory. Tea Dog needs to go to the tea factory because he wishes for tea. He ran out of it, except for some expired tea that he found in his fridge. Ew. Tea Dog loves tea too much. He drinks 2,000 cups of non-sleepy 900,000 tea and 50 cups of coffee each day. The door to the tea factory is locked. Grandma's asleep inside, and Tea Dog's paws can't knock or punch hard enough for anyone to hear. Grandma! Grandma! Also, Grandma is deaf. Tea Dog couldn't remember where he placed the key at home. Here? No. Here? Huh. Here? Then he gulped his expired tea. I feel weird. The expired tea had superpower dust in it. The dust gave Tea Dog superpowers like invisibility, nausea, to transform into anyone he wants, super speed, flying, and teleportation. Sleepy Teapy. I'm gonna glug 50,000 cups. Tea Dog was able to teleport inside the tea factory. After he got inside the tea factory, he fell asleep because he was exhausted from drinking so much Sleepy Teapy tea. Grandma was in a deep sleep and didn't even wake up when Tea Dog came in. The end.